In this video, we're going to talk about exponents and in specifics, the quotient rule for working with exponents. The quotient rule is the rule for dividing exponents. It says when you divide powers with the same base, you subtract the exponents. Notice when we had the product rule, when we were multiplying exponents with the same base, we were able to add the exponents. But the quotient rule, when you're dividing exponents with the same base, says that you subtract the exponents. Let's look at some examples. First one, x to the m divided by x to the n. That equals x to the m minus n. Because they have the same base, you can subtract the exponents. The next example we have is x to the fifth power divided by x squared. They have the same base, which is x, so we can subtract the exponents. X to the 5 minus 2 gives us x to the third power as our answer. We have some practice problems that we will do. Let's look at these two. We have m to the ninth power over m cubed and 9g to the seventh r to the fourth divided by 6g to the fifth r cubed. As you take a moment to think about the answers to these two problems, I will look at starting to do the first one. So m to the ninth over m cubed, they both have the same base. So we can use the quotient rule, which is to subtract the exponents. This gives us m to the 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. So our answer is m to the 6th power. Looking at the second example here, I'm going to separate this out into pieces that work for us. So first we put the coefficients together. This is the same as multiplying these, g to the 7th over g to the 5th. And now times r to the 4th over r cubed. Well, we see that 9 and 6 can both be reduced by 3. So we're going to reduce these two. Well, 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So now in our answer, we have 3 over 2. For our g to the 7th over g to the 5th, that's g to the 7 minus 5, which gives us g squared. 7 minus 5 is 2. And r to the 4th over r to the 3rd leaves us with only one r. 4 minus 3 is 1. You would just write it as r, but, just so you'll know what's here, is this would like be an invisible 1. You don't want to write the 1. It's not wrong if you write it. It's just not necessary. Proper way to write this would be 3g squared r all over 2. All right, so in our next video, we will talk about the zero rule. I hope to see you there. If this video has been helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when new videos are posted. Also, visit us at 8minutemaths.com where you can see our content and resources and courses, things that are available to you there. Lastly, follow us on Facebook at 8minutemathshelp.com. We look forward to seeing you there.